Okay, so our objective is to study the single phase fully uncontrolled rectifier with lamp load. So it consists of four diodes: diode D1, D2, D4, D5. You can take any four diodes and one load. You can take 200 watt lamp load or 400 as you wish. So first we are consider the four diodes and 200 watt lamp load. So in this the apparatus required is Syntec 2700 high voltage power electronics lab setups, four diodes, and we will discuss step by step the connection diagrams. The connection diagrams: line is connected to the this 3 points are shorted. These above 3 points are shorted. All the 3 points are shorted. That is, you consider that is 1 point, and lower is also 1 point. The first this point is connected to the diode D4 cathode points, and neutral N is also connected to the at this point. Next is the diode. This diode D1 anode point is connected to the cathode of D4. This anode is this cathode. That is, anode is connected to the cathode points D4, and again this anode is connected to the cathode K point D5 similar, and this cathode and cathodes are connected, sorted, both are same points, and again this anode and anode both are sorted, means same points. So four diode connections are completed. Next step is connect the load across these terminals, means bridge terminals. The bridge positive terminal, this cathode terminal is connected across the load. This load 3 points are sorted. This point is also sorted. This load is considered as a you can say breadboard, and here is the load. Actual load is here 200 watt lamp load connected to the this point. And again next patch port, this is 4mm patch port, that is anode. The bridge anode point is connected to the across the load. Again next is DSO. DSO, digital oscilloscope, for the measurement of waveforms. You can see the characteristics of controlled bridge rectifiers, and you can measure the RMS voltage, average voltage, base voltage. You can measure all the things. This is connected across the load. Next point is connect voltmeter across the load. Further increasing, we can connect both points are same. For the extension, and again this voltmeters connected to the this point across the load, and this voltmeter is connected to the this point. Next point is connect the emitters. Emitters connected in series at this point, and next emitter point is here, and again sorted, and last step is connect the load. The load one point is connected at this point, and other terminal is connected to the at this points. Okay, our connection diagram is completed. Here is 200 watt lamp. Here is the DSO for the display of the output waveforms. Voltmeter for the measurement of voltage across the load. Emitter is the measurement of current through the load. And next step is on the MCB. Okay. Here on the MCB, we can see the voltage across the load is 186 volt across the load and 0.63 ampere current flowing through the load. This is output voltage waveform. The upper portion is display the maximum voltage, peak voltage, top voltage, RMS current, average current. You can measure the characteristics of the waveforms. So our objective is to study the output voltage waveform for single phase fully controlled rectifier. Okay, the conclusion of this is we are getting the ripple in the output voltage. We are not getting the constant DC output. We are getting the pulsating DC output voltage. Pulsating, that is rectifier provide the pulsating DC output voltage. This waveform can be remove the ripple content using the filters. We can also do this. So thank you.